In this program, we are going to understand how to convert the given height in centimeters into feet and inches. So we need the input from the user, like how many centimeters of height a particular person is. So we are using the input function here, displaying a message, enter the height in centimeters. We are converting the given value into the integer using this function and storing the result in this particular variable. Now, to convert the given height in centimeters into inches, we are using this formula 0.394 multiplied by centimeter. This will convert the given height into inches, and the feet will be calculated using this formula. After that, we are printing the result, like the height in inches is this much value and the height in feet is this much value, and we are using comma 2 as like up to 2 decimal places it should support. So when you run this particular program in idle, here on the run module, it is asking you to enter the height, let's say 180 centimeters. Press enter. So it says like when the given height is converted into inches, so that turns out to be 70.92 inches, and likewise in feet it turns to be 5.9. So here you can see where we have used like comma 2, so it is displaying 2 decimal values.